Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys some things I picked up for my daughter's Easter basket. My daughter is 3 years old, so this will be what I got my toddler for Easter. So let's just go ahead and jump in. I'll start with the Easter basket. I actually got this from Goodwill for $2, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's super huge, which I really liked because I tend to get her more toys than I do candy because she's already a wild child. So I really liked this when I saw it, so I went ahead and picked it up, and you honestly can't beat it for $2, especially for how big it is. So let's just start off. And I just got her a few of her favorite things. So the first things I got her were a coral and pink Play-Doh. She loves playing Play-Doh, so I know she's gonna love having these in her Easter basket. These were 50 cents each. If I can remember the price for everything, I'll let you guys know. Then I showed my daughter the movie Spirit because I loved that movie when I was a kid, and she absolutely loved it. We ended up watching it 2 times in a row, and then she found the new Netflix show, and she is absolutely obsessed. So I got her one of these Spirit little, I don't know what these are called. They're like those look like LOL things, like it's a surprise inside, except this one's Spirit themed. I think this was $4, so she's gonna be really, really excited about that. And then to go along with Spirit, I got her this little plush. These are $4.97 at Walmart. All of this stuff is actually from Walmart. It's a little plush named Boomerang from the show, so I know she's gonna love that. Boomerang is one of her favorite horses in that show, so she's gonna be excited. And then she's also obsessed with My Little Pony. I got her a little tiny Rainbow Dash and a little tiny Cutie Pie. These were $3.44 each, and she loves playing with these little ponies, so I know she's gonna love these. These are 2 of ones she didn't actually have. And then I got her one of these little eggs. This is Peppa Pig, and it has 40 little wash-on tattoos. She loves those little tattoos, so I know she's gonna be super excited about that. And then I got this little Reese's Pieces eggs in this little carton. This was $1, and she loves eggs and stuff, so I know she's gonna like that. Can't eat anything candy. And then I got a whole pack of these Reese's eggs because they're Reese's eggs. They're delicious, why not? And I know she loves them, and Mama will probably sneak a few too. And then I got her a little pack of ring pops. She really likes these. I think there's 4 in there, and they're different flavors, so I know she's gonna love those. And then I don't know if your kid is obsessed with these little eggs, these little Hatchimal. They call them collectibles. They're just like little tiny pink eggs, and then you crack them open, and then they have these little, I don't know if you can see that, little animals inside. So I got her a 4-pack. And then she gets a little extra animal. I think that's like a dragon. I don't know. She's obsessed with these. She saw my best friend's daughter opening these, and then she had to have them, and ever since she's been absolutely obsessed. She carries these little babies around. So I knew for sure this was the one thing I wanted to put in here. And this was $9.88 for 4 of them. So then I got her a little milk chocolate bunny. This was $1. You can't do Easter without having a little chocolate bunny in your basket. And then she got a little chocolate crispy bunny pop. I just thought this was cute. And then a little bunny thing of Skittles. This was $1, and I just know she likes Skittles, so she's gonna like that. And then I got her, she's really into playing princess and stuff, so I got her, it's a little crown, wand, clip-on earrings, and bracelet set. This was $2.98 from Walmart, and I know that she's gonna love it. And then the last thing that actually doesn't fit in her basket is a big old deal of bubbles. This is 98 cents. So I did have in my buggy like a little bubble set like this, and it just had a little bunny on top, and it was $1.98. And I was like, that's not bad for bubbles. And I see this big old honking thing, and this is 98 cents. Like, to look for this one, because this one's so much cheaper and you get so much more. May not fit in the basket, but she gets more and it'll last her longer. So that's everything that I got my daughter for Easter. She's really excited for Easter, and I cannot wait to give her this stuff. I still need to pick her up an Easter dress and some Easter shoes, but other than that, she's pretty much set for Easter now. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope it gave you some ideas for your toddler for their Easter basket. If you did like this video, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would love to have you here, and I will see you guys back here on Wednesday for a brand new cleaning video. Bye!